In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Waze app talk. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're setting it up right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone. Once it opens, give it a second to fully load until you're on the main map screen and you can see your location. Now look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This opens up the main Waze menu where all the settings and options are. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. This is where you control how Waze behaves while you're driving, including sounds and navigation voice. Once you're inside the settings screen, look for the option called Voice and Sound and tap on it. This section controls whether Waze speaks directions out loud or stays silent, which is usually the reason people think the app isn't talking. Now that you're in voice and sound, take a moment to look at the sound options. The key thing to check here is that sound is actually turned on. You'll see different sound modes available. Make sure the sound is set to either on or alerts only. If it's set to off, Waze won't speak directions at all, which makes it feel like the app is broken even though it's not. If you choose on, Waze will speak full turn-by-turn directions, like telling you when to turn, merge, or keep going straight. If you choose alerts only, Waze will still talk, but only for important alerts like hazards, police reports, or speed warnings. Either option will make the app talk, so just choose the one that fits how much guidance you want while driving. After selecting the sound option, you can stay on this screen for a second and double check that everything looks right. There's no save button here, so once you change the setting, it applies instantly. You can now tap back or close the menu to return to the main map screen. At this point, Waze is already set to talk. To test it, you can start a quick route, tap on the search bar, enter a nearby destination, choose a route, and tap Go Now. As you start driving or simulate the route, you should hear Waze speaking directions through your phone's speaker or your car's audio system if it's connected. If you still don't hear anything, make sure your phone's volume is turned up and not muted. Sometimes the app is set correctly, but the phone volume is low or connected to another audio device like Bluetooth headphones or a car system. Turning the volume up while Waze is actively giving directions usually fixes that. Also, keep in mind that Waze only speaks when navigation is active. If you're just looking at the map without a route started, you won't hear any voice prompts, so always make sure you've tapped Go Now on a route if you're trying to hear directions. If you want to customize how Waze sounds later, you can come back to the voice and sound section anytime. From there you can change the voice, adjust alert sounds, or tweak how often Waze speaks while you're driving. So just to go over it one more time in a smooth flow, you open Waze, tap the menu on the top left, go into settings, tap voice and sound, and make sure the sound is set to on or alerts only. That's all it takes. Once this is set up, Waze should start talking normally and guiding you with voice directions while you drive. It's a simple fix, but it makes a huge difference, especially if you rely on voice navigation instead of looking at the screen.